are at the Xiaomi launch event, and this is the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So today Xiaomi launched two Redmi Notes in India. So this is the higher variant, the Note Pro variant. This is how it looks, guys. So this is the first look. As you can see on the front, it looks pretty cool actually, and on the rear there's an iPhone X like camera module, fingerprint sensor. This is metal and these are plastic caps on top and bottom. It's a slim phone, it's quite comfortable to hold, better than I'd expected when I read that it weighs around 180 grams. So for 180 grams, it doesn't feel like a 180 gram phone. It feels quite comfortable and slim and ergonomic to handle. But this is where it looks good, where the real magic lies, in the front. The 18:9 display. The Xiaomi has been late to the game, but now I guess the Redmi 5 series, the new upcoming phone. So the second sensor here is a sorry for the interruption, guys. So unlike the MIA1, the second sensor here is not for zoom 2x zoom. It's a depth sensor for portrait mode, and Xiaomi says that they have done some heavy changes to the mode, and it's all going to work better this time. So the portrait mode is also there for the selfie camera, and this is the selfie camera also has a portrait mode. So this is the rear camera, the selfie camera here. This also has a portrait mode, but this is a software powered portrait mode. And for the rear camera, you have a hardware powered portrait mode. So the USP of this phone is supposed to be its camera. It's the new camera based for India. On the inside is actually it has a very good hardware on the inside. So this is powered by Snapdragon 636, which is the first mid-range chipset with Gyro cores, the customized cores from Qualcomm. So all cores are clocked at 1.8 GHz, and this is supposed to give more stable and more efficient performance. And the RAM is Xiaomi is using good quality LPDDR4X RAM, 4GB and 6GB RAM options. The base variant costs 13,999, and the 6GB RAM option costs 16,999. Availability starts 22 February, guys. So you'll be able to buy this from 22 February onwards. It's basically a solid phone from the inside, decent looking phone from the outside. The front is cool. The rear, I think MI1 had a more charismatic rear. But I'm sure Xiaomi is going to sell a ton of these. So this is the Redmi Note 5 Pro, guys. Stay tuned for our first impression. We'll be back with our initial impressions of the phone very soon.